What?
Baby Brian, why are you always on the computer? Computer, this one.
Dad, this is not a computer. It's a computer.
Computer, what does it matter? Whatever. You are always on this thing. Instead of you to be spending your time to read your book, every time, computer. Can't you go and read your book? How old are you?
7.
At your age, I've already written 5 books. Yes, Ken?
5 books.
5 books.
What are they called?
What are they called? That is a good question. History. History. Yeah. The second one, number 2, of history of the history of the fallopian. History of the fallopian tube. 5 books.
I don't believe you.
It's not your fault. That is how even me, I did not believe your mother when she said she was pregnant with you.
Actually, I wrote a book that went viral on icadabooks.com.
You did what?
I wrote a book that went viral on icadabooks.com.
You wrote a book? My daughter. You see, I know you took after me. You are not like that good for nothing brother of yours, the one that refused to graduate, junior, that's still in college. Let me see what you wrote. What is the title of the book? This is it again. Let's do an African period. What is it? A story filled with a lot of pain. Me! You did not see any good thing to write about me. You cannot say your daddy is very caring. Your daddy is the best man in the world. You are saying your daddy is causing you pain. Oh yeah, kneel down there. You will see real pain today. Real pain. I will show you real pain. Kneel down there.
Daddy, if you punish me, I will write another story about you.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.